So we've got a continuation of our vocabulary here. So when we think about a vertex, right, you can kind of see, we know that it's that point, that shared point that two rays come out of, right? So that is the point on an angle where two lines or rays meet. It can be thought of kind of in some ways like a corner, right? It's like you're at the corner of this road and this road. That angle could change, right? But the point that they meet, that vertex, is going to be shared. When lines or line segments, either one, when they meet or they cross each other at any point, just like over here, we can see that these are called intersecting, right? So they cross, we have this X. Those are called intersecting. The word is intersecting, lines. When kind of opposite of that, not opposite, but similar, but a little bit different, a little more specific, when you have intersecting lines or line segments that specifically come together at a 90-degree angle. So you have maybe something like an x-axis you could think of, and the y-axis intersects it at a 90-degree angle, at a right angle. You angle to form a right angle or a square corners, you could say. That's called perpendicular. I like to think of it like a little parachuter guy, right? If I have maybe like a triangle, if I wanted to find the height of this triangle, I'd want to go to my vertex, my top point, and there's like a little parachuter guy. Boo! He falls down and intersects, right? He lands on this line on the base. This is a perpendicular angle that was, or perpendicularly a 90-degree angle was created. Lines are line segments that stay the same distance apart, right? Like train tracks, those are called parallel, two L's then one. And finally, we have a two-dimensional figure, right? So this figure is closed, meaning you can't have something like this, right? This is an open shape, right? It's not a polygon. Has three or more sides, right? So if you just have something like a line or something like this, that is one, closed, but it has to have three or more sides in order to close to become a polygon. And it can only have straight lines. So this is a polygon, even though it has sort of this unique shape to it. All of the lines in here are straight. When you have something more like a heart shape like this, not a polygon because it has curves. Okay, so that is called a polygon. Poly meaning many, gon meaning sides. Polygon, many-sided shape.